What if I told you that there's a game plan to not just survive, but to thrive over the next decade, the next 10 years? I'm talking about creating millions in value and making yourself unstoppable in the process. Today, we're going to dive into what it takes to win in the next 10 years. And spoiler alert, it's not about working harder. It's about being the right type of person, the right type of mindset and process. So let's break it down. I want to start with a concept that you need to know, which is what I call the AI tool native. This is the person who's part innovator, part marketeer, and all about adaptability, automate processes, and even enhance storytelling. I think it's a superpower. Combine that with the ability to market those creations effectively, and I think you will have a recipe for massive success. The AI tool natives are not just people who are writing trends, they're the ones who will be shaping those trends, and I aim to be one of them. So imagine you're building an app and tools like Cursor can help you generate and edit code files in seconds, while platforms like Replit make deployment a breeze. So you are creating something tangible while building an audience, which gives you a double win. The next thing is what I think is that technical brilliance is not enough. You need to learn some form of storytelling. If you can't tell a compelling story about what you've built, it's going to flop. If you can't sell the idea on why what you built matters, it's going to flop. Storytelling is about how you capture attention, how you build the trust, and how you ultimately sell your ideas. The apps and businesses that win are not always the best in terms of a technical standpoint. No one really cares about technical standpoints. No one cares if Reddit or Airbnb was built with Python or Ruby on Rails. No one really cares. They're the ones with the best stories. And think of companies like Tesla or Apple. They have great products, but their storytelling is what really sets them apart. Next would be understanding the tools of the next decade. It's already here, but we just don't know who the winners are yet. So we need to always be researching and exploring different tools. We need to build our stamina and build our muscle when it comes to understanding and learning new tools. These are game changers, and we're getting literally new tools every week now. So here are 3 tools that you pretty much need to know. V0 to design and query apps with single prompts in English. You need to understand Cursor to generate code and edit code. It's basically an AI agent. It's like imagine talking to a developer and a developer coding for you. It's that powerful. You can understand something like this, right? Especially the composer agent feature, that's really powerful. Next would be maybe something like Replit to help deploy your creations to the web in seconds and manage your code with version history too. So these tools are making it easier than ever to build and iterate quickly. So if you can master them, you will have massive edge over the competition. Next thing would be one of the best strategies that I've seen to work would be to learn in public, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. This means sharing your journey as you master new tools, sharing your process of building new projects with new tools, and to create value for anyone who's watching, right? Just think about it. Whatever you're going through, whatever you're learning now, there's going to be thousands out there who are going through something similar. So if you can share your journey, it's not just about documenting your progress. You will be able to build an audience along the way as well. And that's what I'm trying to do here. When you share what you're learning, you're creating a feedback loop. People will follow your journey. They will provide insights, give you feedback, and also they may just be your first customer. Next would be to understand that attention is going to be the currency of the next decade. If you can capture it, you can convert it into anything, sales, partnerships, or even investors. So build an audience by focusing on your niche, whether it's AI, content creation, or software development, whatever it is, share it consistently and stay authentic. That's so important. Don't be fake, be yourself. And the more value that you provide, the faster that you will grow. Next would be to embrace the fact that software is becoming so intuitive and fun to create now. I literally have fun right now writing code with AI because it's turning into a playground for builders, right? Imagine apps as extensions of your content, right? You're not just building tools, you're actually building experiences that resonate with your audience. So as some of you may know, I have been out in the dating market for a while now, and I've been using dating apps, and I've been trying to build a scraper that helps me automate my matches, help me schedule dates for me. And I could build the entire thing from scraping to the logic to the conversations to the date scheduling, every single thing with AI. And that's so powerful. I'm going to create another video on this sometime soon. But I actually enjoyed the building process again. I haven't been coding for the past 1.5 years, 2 years-ish, but now with AI, it's like playing Lego blocks, you know, that fun. So I think the next 10 years will belong to people who can combine storytelling and building. The AI tool natives, that's what I call them, right? They leverage tools, they will build audiences, and they will shape industries. The question is, are you ready to step up? And are you ready to start learning and mastering these tools? Are you ready to share your journey out in public? Yeah, don't be afraid to push the boundaries, right? The game plan is here. Just go ahead and grind and do it, especially if you're young. Now it's your move, right? Let me know in the comments, what's one skill that you're going to commit to mastering today. I'll see you in the next one.